I continue to inquire as to whether I can, in any case, find that individual that can acknowledge and cherish me for who I am, however, not on the grounds that I am a big name or a sure gain, but sense of me. Am I actually cherished? Child, called I at any point actually track down Ginoni reminds and bless at this my age. Will my forlornness at any point be felt? If and let me know that I ought to be positive and accept I desire to track down that joy. Sometime or another to the bloom of my heart. This is only for you. Your voice is my number one town that I need to hold paying admission to for my entry life. It is interesting the way in which I believed that I really wanted to nobody in my life before you danced into it, making me fall unavoidably enamored with your subtitles and peculiarities. I love you, my other half. I simply needed to know something easy to say I love you and to put that grain I love such a great amount back all over. I believe everybody should. The amount you mean to me since you have entered my life. I've been flying beyond happy, and I have not discounted at this point. I let you know this man that you are the most curious individual I know pretty much. Everything there is to know about, and I see that all the more obviously with each passing man. I love every little thing about you, about us. You do something to me that no different us. You have made me so blissful, the most joyful I be at any point. Being you gave me the most astounding sentiment inside the sensation of being infatuated with you. I actually don't have the focused idea how I was fortunate to have you in my life, my blessing. From heaven, however, I am so appreciative. My sonnet adoring you res- res- resembles a dependence for me each second I spend. Cherishing you resembles the minutes I spend in Pardes the day. I quite cherishing you is the day I beat the dust. I love you more than myself. Keep that sweet grain all over consistently. I will adore you for eternity. Regardless, I will pick you each and every day, and I will do consistently that you are my beginning and end. And I am so appreciative to have you in my life. You are my first love. You genuinely have been a consistently will be you are the best thing that has at any point happened to me. You make me so cheerful. I can't quite grin without you close by. I am inspired. You have provided me with the best of affection, and I need to be close by until the end of time. Much obliged to you for provide my life the guidance it required. Much obliged to you for adoring me genuinely. We have progressed significantly from where we began, yet we have made it. And that is the only thing that is in any way important. So much has changed. However, you are us yet intelligent individual, In those days, you haven't changed on the grounds that you miss the mark on kind of imperfections. You are awesome. I maintain that. You should be many consistently. I maintain that you should be close by until the end of time. I maintain that you should remain with me. I maintain that you should be the mother of my kids. I maintain that you should accompany me in the most ideal situation imaginable, and in the worst possible section. I maintain that you should impart your life to me. I need to because old with you.